Good morning to and happy new month to my fellow students and researchers at the postgraduate level and the undergraduate level, business people, researchers in the secular world. Today is another beautiful morning, and we are picking on the topic today that says how to write academic articles with citations and reference using AI tool. The AI tool we are going to adopt today is called My Word AI. My Word AI is a very popular AI tool that can help students, researchers, academicians to craft and to do their research very well. With this tool, you can do your seminars, you can do your term paper, you can do your academic articles, and any form of research. It comes with proper citations and referencing using any of the referencing styles. Not only to researchers, we have other areas here, other sectors that are also covered by my Word AI tool. So is a very mind-blowing tool you should use. So we jump straight to our topic today, and I'll show you. The first thing you do in creating our academic articles is you click here. When after logging in, you click create content. The create content gets open, and in here you can see the menu. The menu list content expander, business and more, where you have the business plan, the business proposals, you have the 10 papers, you have the school research project, articles, and more. So here, our concentration is here, 10 paper and seminars. So it opens. You can see book review. You can do book review from this platform. Book review with citations and reference. You can do 10 paper, seminar paper with citations and reference. And then here we are, the academic article. So we open the academic article, it gets open. You are here. This is where you input your your words, your keywords, and reference, and this is where it outputs the result into. This is where you save. The blue button is for save. You change this topic here from new documents to your title document, and then you save. Each of the things you save gets into the document here. So we start up immediately. We first have to select our language, which is English, and then we'll put in our topic, determine the application of teacher-centered approach and student academic performance in school. What are we using? Is it the APA for referencing style? And then the number of words we want to use, maybe 1,500. Okay, that's all. And then we come here and generate. And then we wait. That started writing. Every article this generates is plagiarism free. Whether you generate it a million times from this platform, it's a million time unique. So it doesn't copy articles from anywhere. AI doesn't copy, it creates. So we are waiting. We want it to input it here now. Remember, you can download, you can export the Word document from here, the PDF. You can also copy. So we are waiting in few minutes, few second time. It will be done. Okay, almost. Okay. Oh wow, it's done. And here you have the article with your reference. So beautiful. And citations. You can see the citations there and with reference. So thank you so much. Thank you. I'm grateful.